Hello everyone, welcome today. Today we have only one puzzle left because I've already solved two puzzles, not in today's additional of Thursday, March the 24th, 2022. No, in today's newspaper we have no additional, no, it's the yesterday's newspaper of Wednesday, March the 23rd, 2022. I've already solved the letter Sudoku and the 2-star Sudoku. Now it's time for the Tectonic with a 1 star. And this will be number 4307. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 22 printed digits. Well, should be an easy one. Okay. So let's get started. And the first question is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box is always a 1. I see here the single box, always a 1. Can we see the dual box? I see here 1 dual box. 2 is already filled in, so this should be a 1. Triple box then. Can we see here triple box? No triple boxes here. How about the quarter box? I see here quarter box. This box can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Here also a quarter box. Cannot fill this yet. Need to wait for more information. Then the following strategy is to recognize some shapes, some figures, constructions. For example, the T shape, upside down, the T shape. Let me draw this here. When you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same name as that box. In this case, I've already filled in the number 1. Yes. T shape. But also that box has the same name as this box. So that box has the same name as this box. T shape. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Well, this shape, when you see this kind of shape, this box has the same name as that box. So in this case, it's a 1. Okay, a 1. This box has the same name as that box. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? No. Then the following shape. How about the L shape? We have an L shape. The L shape. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same name as that box. So in this case, it's a 1. It's a 1. Okay. So this is a 1. Here another L shape. Upside down. So this box has the same name as that box. And here also another L shape. This box has the same name as that box. And one figure left, or shape. This shape. Let me draw this here. Alright. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same name as that box. This box has the same number as that box. Alright, and those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have only 4 of them. We have more, maximum 6, but not in this puzzle. In this puzzle we have only 4. And why? You need to recognize those shapes. That's the question. Why? Well, the next step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get starting filling those numbers. Alright. 2 numbers left in this T-shaped area for numbers 3 and 5. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here. And a 5 goes there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also 3. These two boxes can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. These two boxes can be 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes surround the 2 can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be here. This box can be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. That means that box cannot be a 2 anymore. If I place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 2 is supposed to be here. And I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes here. 2 boxes left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. Let me mark those 4 and 5, 4 and 5. Okay. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can't be 2 anymore. That box should be 2. 2 numbers left, the 4 and the 5, 4 and the 5. 4 and the 5. This box is connected with that box, should be also 4 and the 5. Okay. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 3. 1 and 3, we have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and 3 goes there. Then. These 2 boxes can be a 2. That box can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be here. Now we have a 2 there. So this box can't be 2 anymore. That box should be 2. 2 numbers left in this quadra box for numbers 3 and 4. 3 and 4. Okay. That means that this box cannot be a 3 or a 4. We have a double 3 and double 4 there. So the 3 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. Well, we have a 3 there, so no 3 there. 3 should be here. And a 4 goes there. 1 box left in this area for number 1. Then. 2 boxes left in this L shape for numbers 3 and the 4. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 4 goes there. This box is connected with that box, so also 3. Now we have a 4 there, so this box can be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4, and this box should be a 3. I think this box should be a 5, because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 3 goes there. Now we have a 4 there, so this box can't be 4 anymore. This box should be a 5. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 5. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 3. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 3 goes there. Then. This box cannot be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. That means that those 2 boxes can be a 4. We have a double 4 there. So the 4 could be here, could be there. This box cannot be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 1. Those 2 boxes can be a 1. We have a double 1 there, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. Then. These 2 boxes can be a 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be there. And I've eliminated the 3, so the 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 4 goes here. This box can be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. That means that those 2 boxes can be a 5. We have a double 5 there. So the only place left for the 5 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and a 4. 1 and a 4. That means that those 2 boxes can be a 4. We have a double 4 there. So 1 box left for the 4 should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 2 and a 5. 2 and a 5. Well, we have a 2 there, so no 2 there. 2 should be here. And a 5 goes there. Then. This box cannot be a 2. That box cannot be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be there. And I've eliminated the 4. So the 4 goes here. 1 box left in this L shape for the number 5. Now we have a 5 here. So this box cannot be a 5 anymore. This box should be a 4. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. We have a 4 there. No 4 there. 4 should be here. And a 5 it goes there. Then these two boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. These three boxes surround the 2 can be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be here. And I've eliminated the 4, so the 4 goes here. Now we have a 4 there, so this box can be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4, and this box should be a 1. 2 numbers left in this quarter box for numbers 1 and 3. 1 and 3. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 3 goes there. These 3 boxes surround the 2 can be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be here. These 2 boxes can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4 should be there. 2 numbers left in this L shape for numbers 3 and 5. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 5 goes there. And this box is connected with that box, so also a 3. 2 numbers left, the final 2 numbers. 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, and the 5 are missing. 4 and a 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 4 goes there, finish in 11 minutes. Told you. Should be an easy one. 22 printed digits. Must be shame. Yes. Shame on you. Shame on you. With 22 digits. Should be an easy one. Alright. Thank you again for watching. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also over by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget, only if you like, only if you want, to subscribe and hit the bell button, guys, to be notified by YouTube when I upload new Sudokus to my channel. You can also find in my channel a lot of playlists for the Tectonic, playlists for the binaries, playlists for the letter Sudokus. I have also a playlist for the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudokus. A playlist for the heavy, the medium, the light, the the killer, and the quintuplet, a.k.a. samurai Sudokus. Yeah, thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. Have a great and fantastic Wednesday. No, Thursday. It's Thursday now. Until then, bye-bye for now.